That is so cool. What's that?
Well, it's color.
Oh, look, the Mater Caveman.
The first time I see this.
Yeah, I never saw it too. What's this? Cruise. Chick Peaks. Yay!
Oh.
Duck Hudson. Yay! Oh, here's the ghost car. Oh, Fillmore.
Well,
Upper safe.
you read it?
Yeah, just never see in the store. What's that? Jackson Storm. Bad guy. Oh, look. Have deputy. Wow, nice.
The police car?
Yeah, I love the police car.
Oh, have rocks on the top.
Oh, this is where he got slimed by the monster.
Oh, well.
This is the new slime police car. What's this?
That's
We've got reloading. Oh, this one, dude.
this one. Oh,
Yeah. Just have Fabulous McQueen. This one, yeah, seen it. Same. Yeah, I don't see the truck.
yeah.